Hello everyone, good evening. OFW Live. Kalo lang ka may nag-sponsor of ukra. Ang ganda na. Ganda ng sombrero. Diba? Kagabi lang ito ibinigay sa akin. Super pagod. Malansya ako guys. It's part of our job every day. Meron sana akong kukunin sa taas. Yan sa building na yan, no? Ay, yan. Ay, ito palang building na yan. Ay, no. Saan ba yun? Meron akong kukunin dito. Ay, ito nga. Yung building na yan. Sa kapatid ni Bossing. Kasi naman ako yung Christmas tree daw na malaki ibigay sa akin. Umaasa na lang ako nito sa bigay-bigay. So, it's life. Kasi, I am proud, you know why? May mga katulong sila, pero, sa akin nila ibinigay. So, di ba? Yung mayroong dumating ngayon na box kasama doon yung egg na upuan. May ikot-ikot yun. Dito ako sa madilim naman. Ginaw. Pero nakapalda ako guys. Ayan. You want to see? You want to see na nakapalda ako? Ayan. Wait. I want to put this over there. So that you will see my look. This look of 53-year-old. So, okay. Smile po rin kahit pagod na pagod. So, ganun lang ang life. So, saan ko ba ito ilagay itong aking cam? Para makita ninyo ang aking look. Ayan. Ayan, nga ako. Nakapalda ako. Kahit madilim. Okay? Nakapalda ako. O, tingnan niya. Ayan. Did you see? Nakapalda siya ako. O, ayan. Ayan. Nakapalda siya ako. So, kailangan itong ilagay dito sa Pero madilim, dito ngayon eh. It's cold here. I have 3 clothes. I wear 3 clothes. So maybe I can put it here for a while so you can see my attire today. Yes. But cannot stand up. Cannot stand up. So cannot stand up guys. Oras na around 11 o'clock. But it's okay, it's life. Dito is ang gabi namin dito ay seem like morning. Like araw. Yan. So, pwede ko yata itong ilagay dito. Just to show na ako ngayon, ayan. So, baka mawaglag siya. O, ayan. Ayan, this is me. Nakapalda ako ng bundok. So, I am like going to the mountain. So, aray! Sorry. So, sabi ng Indonesian, wow, si ate today, sexy. Alam nila kasi na nahuli ako na nagdot-dot. Tapos tinago ko yung phone ko, sabi ni ni Bossing, why you hide your phone? Sabi ko, no, I'm just checking my phone during the fiesta celebration in my hometown. Sabi niya, oh really? Let me see. Wait, see. Sabi niya, Maybe you are talking with your boyfriend. Let me see your boyfriend. Sabi ko, you want to see my boyfriend? Yeah. Sabi niya ganun. O, pinakita ko rin yung Italian ko. Kala niyo ha? Sabi niya, oh, be careful, Marine scammer. Sabi ko, no. See, he didn't ask money from me. Because it's red. Oh my God. Abutan na ako ng picture. Yan. Go, go, go. Tapos sabi niya kanina, she asked me, kasi nagpapahilot eh. Guys, nainitan na ako ngayon kasi takto yung suot ko. She told me, she asked me, Lucy, yung mo, magkakatapo na sapatos. Ayan, magkakatapo na sapatos. Yung mga sapatos dito guys, alam mo tinatapon nila, mga original yan. Ayan, may tinatapon na, may naghalungkat sa, basura. Tapos sabi niya, Rosie, how long you stay with us? Sabi ko ganun. It's depend to auntie. Sabi ko sa kanya, it's depend to auntie. And of course, if you still want me to work with you here, as long as I have enough strength to work, I will work. Sinabi kong ganun. Sabi niya, kasi if you go back to your country and no work, you feel boring. Sabi niya ganun. Sabi ko, yes, I know. So that is why if you still need me and I will still work until I have enough strength to work. Yun ang sinabi ko. Tuwang-tuwa. Pero you know guys, this employer, she's a lesbian, but we always argue, we always fight. Kasi ayaw niya akong gumamit ng cellphone. Nagtripan ako. Hindi tayo mabubuhay ng cellphone. Cellphone nga lang yung yung libangan natin. Pagbawalan pa tayo. And then I asked her about the Indonesian. I said, how about you? You didn't use your phone? Gago talaga itong mga amo eh. Yes guys, it's a part of life here. This kind of bossing. Kinokontrol nila yung buhay namin. Yung ayaw nilang gumamit ng cellphone. Bakit? Sila ba hindi nagagamit ng cellphone? Nabubuhay ba sila ng cellphone? No. We are human. So, okay? So, I am now reaching my home sweet home. Pagod na pagod ako talaga as in. Diretso ako higa ngayon. Maglinis na lang ako ng mukha. After that, okay, go up.